What's up, everyone? I hope everyone's having a great day. Let's do a Docker install on Windows. I actually don't use Windows a whole lot, so this is going to be on a virtual machine on my MacBook, but it should be pretty much the same as if you ran it natively. And so, go ahead and open up your browser of choice. In my case, that will be Edge because I don't really use Windows a whole lot. And so what we'll do is we'll do Docker install Windows. Go ahead and click on the first one that pops up. And now you actually can install this from the Microsoft Store. I've never done it that way. And so I'll just go ahead and do it this way just because that's what I'm used to. But make sure you pick the download that lines up with the correct chip that you have. I think most Windows machines these days are x86, 64, but they're starting to be more ARM. And so if you're in doubt, just go ahead and do this one because it should work either way. And so we'll go ahead and wait for that to download. And it's almost there. And then we'll go ahead and open up that .exe file. And so do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes, yes we do. So the installer is going to pop up. We'll verify the package. And now you're going to want to have this checked just because this is what allows Docker to run those mini computers essentially on your machine. And then I usually leave this one unchecked. You can always go back and change that if you need. And we'll go ahead and press OK and then wait for all these packages to go ahead and install. All right, so the installation succeeded. What we can do now is actually go ahead and search this up. So if we type in Docker desktop, it will pop up and you can see it right there. We'll go ahead and open that guy up. And so while this spins up, what we're going to be doing now is we got to accept the terms and everything. And then we need to create an account if you haven't created one yet. And so you can go ahead and do that with an email, or if you want to do it with a personal email, that works too. But once you do that, you should be able to. Oh, and this error that you're seeing right here. This is only because I'm on Mac OS running this inside of a virtual machine. So you probably won't see that. And so go ahead and create your account with your email and everything like that. And make sure that once you create your email, or excuse me, once you put in your email, that you have the correct, that you go ahead and verify it. If you don't verify it, Docker won't let you do all the core functionalities that we're going to end up using. And so in the next video, we'll actually go in and install Metabase using Docker and then go ahead and run it. See you there.